Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove blank rows in Excel. So what you have to do is open an Excel sheet, select the entire table. Here you can see there is some blank rows here. So just select your whole table and then click on find and select option. Here you can see there is an option of go to. Click on it and uh, click on spatial, and here you can see there is an option of blanks. Click OK, and here you can see the blanks are selected. So just click on control minus key, and here you can see there says shift cells up. So click on it, and here you can see these blank rows are removed. So this is how you can remove your blank rows. So hope this video helps you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for